What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, the new Rugrats series is premiering on Paramount Plus tomorrow, and to bring in the new series with my viewers, I'm going to show you how to make some vegan Reptar bars. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. For the brownie part, you'll need 2 cups of vegan chocolate chips, 1 cup of applesauce or some other kind of vegan egg replacement, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of melted vegan butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the marshmallow filling, you'll need 1 cup of vegan marshmallow fluff. So I'm going to use this Smucker's marshmallow topping. You also need some green food coloring and some green icing. Just use as much of this as you want to make this as green as you want it to be. For materials, you'll need at least a couple big to medium-sized bowls, a 9x9 baking pan, some parchment paper, and something like this to put the marshmallow cream inside the brownies. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking.
I bet you don't see
All right, and here we have our vegan Reptar Brownie bars. If you have any more leftover green marshmallow cream, which as you can see, I had a lot, you can just put that on top of it. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video. Share it with a friend. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace. If you're still watching, thank you very much. You're very awesome. I want to show you a little something. I usually don't show alcohol on my channel, but I was at my local Trader Joe's the other day and found this new Reptar juice beer. So if you're in need for an adult beverage to bring in the new Rugrats series, head on down to your local Trader Joe's.